Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the 52 card deck and guidebook of the Hip Hop Queens Oracle deck. This is written by Kathy Iandoli and it's illustrated by Monica Ahanonu. Hopefully I said those names correctly. Pronounce them correctly. This is published by Clarkson Potter Publishers, an imprint of Penguin Random House. It is retailing for $23 in the US and $30 in Canada. And the back says, delivered with the swagger only hip hop can provide, this Oracle deck features 52 of the genre's most influential female stars, serving as compass points for spiritual growth and portals to guidance and meditation. All right, so already love the art style and I like the packaging a lot. I like the colors, and it opens with the hinge, which I really don't mind at all. We've got a ribbon, folks. Yay! There's the guidebook. And I like that it actually has 52 cards. Woohoo! All right. So, no table of contents. Oh, no table of contents. All right. So it goes over, what the Oracle is about, and then reading the cards. The cards in this deck are essential figures who have impacted hip hop in some way, shape, or form. They aren't necessarily all female MCs. Some are singers, others are activists and radio personalities, yet they've made a significant mark by remaining true to themselves. Beyond their profound contributions to the world, these queens possess attributes and qualities that inhabit everyday life. Let them lead you. They've got it from here. The symbolism detailed on the cards and expanded upon in the booklet offers suggestions for interpretation, some mystic and ambiguous, some purposely contradictory. In the spirit of the book and the women it celebrates, this deck plays with language and imagery and invites you to do the same. All right. So you may choose to bring specific questions to the cards or just an open mind. Only your intuition can tell you what the cards truly mean. And each card can and should be read differently depending on the reader, recipient, and the situation. The possibilities expand further in multiple card spreads, where the layout and order of the cards create a story, and each queen contributes to the telling. All right, so layouts. We've got single card and an example, 3 card and an example. It's another single. So I like having the examples in the book, so it gives you kind of a idea of how to read these cards, or how the author would read them. And then it goes into the meanings of the card, and we have an about and the author and the illustrator too. I will say it's nice that it's all color in the booklet, but I'm a little sad that there's no table of contents, just because I feel like that would add another little extra oomph to the deck to help you find exactly the card that you're looking for when you're reading it. But that's okay. It's not a negative thing. It's just a preferred thing. So there's the back. All right. Oh, she's even got wings. All right. So there's going to probably be a lot that I don't know, but a lot that I do know. So we'll see what shows up here in the cards. I'm excited. All right, cardstock, not bad. It's a little on the thicker side. It's not super thin. I feel like it's going to shuffle really well. They are wider and the corners are rounded, but they are still a little pokey, so do keep that in mind. Not as sharp as one would see with regular edged corners, if that makes sense. And it's got a little bit of a sheen to it. It's not completely matte. It's got just a smidge of a sheen. There she is. You can't have a hip hop queens deck without Beyonce, right? Okay, I love Cardi B. I really do. I find her very much of a fun person. Like, I want to be her friend. And that's very fitting, the keyword down there. I like these keywords that they're putting on the cards. Ooh, Miss Erica. I love it. They even got her tattoos. Oh, wow. Janelle! She is amazing. I love her style so much. Like her music style as well as her fashion style. Love it. This art is really fun. These words, I'm really liking it. Lauryn Hill. All of the awards there. That's awesome. Oh, wow. She's got wings too. Yay, we've got Lizzo. Love it. Her TikToks crack me up. Oh, Miss Mary J. Blige. They even put a stallion in there with her. Oh, that's great. I like her too. Missy. I'm really enjoying the keywords for these. And now I have Starship stuck in my head. Yay! Miss Queen Latifah. I was wondering when she was going to show up. Yay! Fierce. Iconic. That's really cool. Oh, wow, Trina. Very cool words on here. So obviously I have some education to do as far as the women that I didn't see or recognize, I should say. It shuffles just fine. I'm not having an issue. Whoop. All right. Oh, we're going to read for Cardi B. Of course we are. But yeah, this is not a bad deck to shuffle with at all. I feel like it's just the right size. And those corners that I talked about earlier, they're not really bugging me. Like, they're not that sharp, not that pokey. But I just thought I would point that out on the off chance that that was something that you don't mess with. All right, so the booklet looks like it's also in alphabetical order, which is nice. So here's Cardi B. There we go, we can all see. All right, so personality, acclaim, notoriety, recognition, fame, and disillusionment. When Cardi B first appeared on VH1's hit franchise Love and Hip Hop New York, her presence was addictive. The bronze-bred vixen brought her real-life persona to reality TV, and fans fell in love with her before recognizing she could spit on the mic. While Invasion of Privacy, her 2018 debut album, crystallized her spot among rap royalty, what makes Cardi so magnetizing is that she's consistently herself. There's no filter, even on her social media posts. It's Cardi all day, no compromise. It's rare to have someone so genuine in pop culture since much of the game is fueled by smoke and mirrors. But whether she's crafting Latin pop hits or starring in films like Hustlers, Cardi maintains her authenticity. Oh, so bad. I'm sorry, but it's in the book. You see that little light of yours? It's time to let it shine. Whether you've been dwelling in the shadows or dimming your brightness to fit those around you, it's time to up your wattage and exude your inner light beams. Bring every shade, from red bottoms to Bodak yellow. Like Cardi, you're most captivating when you're being yourself. Despite any previous instances where you felt you've had to put on a show, those days are done and the real you is making an entrance. Just remember, being yourself doesn't mean everyone is privy to the details of your life. You're provoking an invasion of privacy when you divulge too much at once. Oh my gosh, I really like this deck. This is fun. I really like how they talk about the icon that is in the card, especially for someone like me that doesn't recognize everyone in the deck. It gives me a little bit to go on, and then should I want to educate myself further, I can then, find more information on that. But it doesn't derail you from understanding the deck. I really like that. The art style is awesome. It's beautifully done. I think it definitely captures the, I'm going to say the personality and the features of the women in the deck. And it's just really fun. It's definitely a deck that you can use for whatever you want to use it for. If you're looking for a daily pull, if you're looking to journal, if you're looking for confirmation, or if you're just looking to have an answer to your question. I feel like this is great. Like for me personally, with just the words that are on here, I can ask what I need to focus on for the day, or I can ask what I'm lacking. I can ask what I need to improve on, what I need to work on. Very, very much a very versatile deck, and I really like that. So This is exciting. I think for the price tag, it's a really decent price. You get 52 cards. I think honestly, there's a few things I would improve upon. And the only thing really being that there would be more of a table of contents situation, and maybe just a little bit more info, but like, and you know, if this is something that you're interested in, I don't think you're going to be disappointed. So with that being said, let me know what you think about this down in the comment section below. I'm always excited to hear your thoughts and opinions. And like always, these are just my thoughts and opinions. So don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.